Good morning, students. Now I am going to discuss chessboard related problems. There are 5 problems here. Now see the first problem. The number of rectangles on a chessboard. How many number of rectangles are there? First, we need rectangle means how many number of lines possible. How many number of lines need? These are two parallel lines and another set of two parallel lines. Then only it is possible to get rectangle or square or rhombus, whatever may be. Okay, so we need totally 4 lines. One set of two parallel lines, another set of two parallel lines. Okay, now see the chessboard. This is 8 by 8 size. So this is one straight line or not? So this is one straight line. This is another straight line. This is one more. Next, 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 next. Totally, there are 9 parallel lines. Set of 9 parallel lines. Go to the another side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 set of parallel lines. Now, one rectangle need means minimum one set of two parallel lines, another set of two parallel lines is needed. So, number of rectangles on a chessboard is equal to how many parallel lines are there here? Number of parallel lines 9. Here these are 9 set of parallel lines. Out of 9 can be selected to, this is one set, another set of parallel lines can be selected to 9C2 into 9C2. These are number of rectangles. Now calculate this. 9C2 means 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into again 9C2 means 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now that is 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 36 are, see the unit place 6 are 36. So unit place 6 is there or not? 36 into 36, that is 1296. So in options 1296 given, that is first option. So number of rectangles on a chessboard is 1296. Next question. Number of squares of all dimensions on chessboard is, actually answer is 204. How it is possible? How many number of squares? Exactly squares. Now see here, I am going to diagonal wise. In diagonal, white colors are there, black colors are there. I am going to follow the white colors because if I am writing white color on white color, you people looking good. See, this is one square. How many squares are there here? One square. That means these particular square. So now, next, 2 square. 1 square means 1. If 1 square plus 2 square, how much? This is 5. So 1 square plus 2 square means, observe here these squares. Observe here these squares. How many squares are there? Total big one is 1 and 2 white, 2 black. Totally 5 or not? Big one is 1, 2 white, 2 black. Totally 5. If you are taken, this is 3 square. Now, in this place, observe that how many number of squares are there? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That means totally 14 squares. How 14 squares? See, total big one is 1 and small boxes. White, how many are there? 5. Black 4. White 5. Black 4. And big one is 1. Totally 10 here. Then what about remaining 4? Remaining 4 means this is 1. This is 1 square or not? Next, this is 1 more square. This part. 1 more square. Totally 2. Now, this is 1. This is 1. Now 3 completed. Next, this is 1. Totally 4. 10 plus 4. 14 we got. Like that. So in a chessboard, how many number of squares are there? Number of squares. That is equal to 3 square. This is a 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on up to 8 square. Up to 8 square. Sigma n square formula already you know very well. What is that? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Yes or no? This is sigma n square. So in place of n, what is there? 8. Substitute 8 into 8 plus 1, 9 into 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17 by 6. 6. 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 3s are 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 17, 204. These are number of squares on a chessboard. How we are calculating, all of you understood now? Follow the any diagonal. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. Sum of these squares is we will get number of squares on 8 by 8 chessboard. Okay, so we get answer is 204. Answer is 204. Right. Number of rectangles 1296. That is previous problem. Now see the next question, 26th one. What they are asking? The number of rectangles which are not squares in a chessboard. Number of rectangles which are not squares. That means number of rectangles. Already now only we had analysis. Here rectangles and squares both are included. Now exactly squares means this problem sigma 8 square. That is 204. Okay. So out of those we want to subtract. Now answer is 9c2 into 9c2. So here number of rectangles including squares, but they are asking which are not squares. Those squares we can eliminate. We can subtract sigma 8 square. 9c2 into 9c2 how much? That answer is 1296. 1296 minus sigma 8 square 204. 204. Observe that number of rectangles which are not squares 1092. So, but they are given directly 9c2 into 9c2 minus sigma 8 square. Fourth option is correct. Number of rectangles means 1296. Number of squares means 204. That means 204. Number of rectangles which are not squares is equal to 1092. The number of ways of selecting two squares one by one in a chessboard such that they have a side in common. They have a side in common. So how many such type of squares are there? So we need to identify. See here, I am going to observing the corner white and black squares. This is common side of both the squares. See here, this is one square. If here square is there, this is, we will say that common side. If it is there square here, this is the common side. If it is there one more square, this is common side. Yes or no? Common side of these two squares. This is common side of these two squares. Like that. Okay. So how many number of ways possible we need to identify? See that this is common side of both the squares. This is also common side. Overall, the corner square having two common sides. Okay. Similarly, and identify that remaining squares also. These square having two common sides. And this is also having two common sides. So no. This is also having two common sides. So first, how many number of squares are there having two sides common? Two sides common. But I am going to try directly answer. If two sides common, there are 4 squares are possible. Plus, okay, two common sides is completed. Go to the 3 common sides. 3 common sides. Now, observe that 3 common sides like squares, how many are there? For suppose observe this is one common side. This is one common side. This is one more common side. So these black square having 3 common side. And similarly, these white square also having 3 common side. And here observe that whenever we are taken black square, this is a common square. Whenever we are taken white square, this is a common side. That means the common side is repeating twice. Okay, so that is we will discuss finally. 3 common sides. This is one square. This is one more. This is one more. This is one more. This is one more. That means how many number of squares are there? 3 common sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 squares are there having 3 sides common. 3 sides common, there are 24 squares. Plus, now go to that 4 sides common. How many number of squares are there? Now, for suppose, observe this square. This is common side between these two. This is common side between these two. This is a common side between these two. This is the common side between these two. Okay. So like that, how many squares are there? See, 4 common sides. How many number of squares are there? So that is, this is 1. So I'm putting into mark. Into mark, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side 6. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6, 36 squares. But already I discussed, whenever you are taken this square, this is a common side. This square you are taken, mean this is also common side. The common side is repeating twice. That's why divide with 2. So we get number of common sides. Number of squares have a side in common. So numerator, calculate that. 2 4s are 8. 24 3s are 3 4s are 12. 6 72. 4 into 36. 4 6 are 24. 144. 10 14. This is 2. 224. 224 divided by 2. That is equal to 112. So which option is correct? Second option. The number of ways of selecting 2 squares in a chessboard such that they have a side in common. So there are 112 squares are there, have a side in common. The number of ways of choosing 2 squares one by one from a chessboard so that they have exactly one common corner is what they are asking. Common corner. Common corner. Now see. So I am going to observe like this. Common corner they are asking. These 2 squares you are observing means this is common corner. These 2 squares, this is common corner. These 2 squares, these 2. Next, next, next. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, take like this. This is one more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more is missing. Where is that? Here is missing. 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. So these diagonal we are observing means how many common corners are possible. Horizontal is 7, vertical is 7. So answer is 7 into 7. 7 into 7. Now go another diagonal method. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 7. Another diagonal. 7 into 7 plus one more 7 into 7. Okay. Overall observe that. 7 into 7, 49 plus 49. Totally 98 common corners are there between two sides, two squares? How many number of common corners are there? 98. Okay. So finally, total 5 questions we are discussed on chessboard model. Okay. Please copy this.